Hey, how's it going, YouTube? It's Us too. Today we're going to be checking out the First Strike Compact, and this is a handheld sidearm for paintballing. It's a 68 caliber, and it has a 8-round magazine. It runs off 8 gram CO2, and this gun is very similar to the TCP Paintball launcher, so you could use this as a non-lethal option if you're looking for something like that. But of course it was designed for paintball, for paintball. But these guns come in black and different other colors like tan bronze. This is the black with silver, and it's great for non-lethal protection. It shoots first strike rounds, which are these, and you could use like pepper round balls. These are liquid pepper ball. You could use your regular paintballs, and also you could use a Grinsberg 68 round for non-lethal, and that's a great option for non-lethal self-defense. And you could also use the TCP LiveX or SD rounds. Those are pepper ball rounds. And what you get in the kit is you get your gun, you get an extra magazine, there's another one inside, and then you get 2 of these springs. These are for the First Strike because it's more tension. And then you get a barrel sock, O-ring, you get some oil, some Allen keys. And if it's your first time using it, I recommend reading the owner's manual. So these First Strike compact guns, they run about $319, and it's very nice. Very similar to the TCP. It has a good weight to it. On here, you could adjust your velocity. You got your safety and the mag release. So what's interesting about this one, it takes the 8 gram CO2, and it's a 6-round magazine. So on the next video, we'll be shooting this, and we'll be doing pepper balls, First Strike. There's also powder balls, 68 cal, and it's a pretty cool little gun. You get a registration card, and it tells you it passed the quality control. So tell me what you think about the First Strike Compact. And this is a really clean, like a silver color. But it's very nice. And if you're gonna do for non-lethal, it's a good alternative to the TCP because it's smaller and more compact. But once again, this is a First Strike 68 caliber gun, 6-round magazine, texture grip, ambidextrous safety, and it runs on the 8 gram CO2. And it comes in a lot of different colors, black, black silver like this one, bronze and tan. So let me know what you guys think about it, and in our next video we'll be shooting the First Strike. So thank you for watching. You're watching Easy Does Too. Subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.